What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the HOLLYLAND LARK M2 wireless lavalier microphone, and this microphone is created mainly for content creators and professional editors. So let's get started with the unboxing first. So this is the front side of the Lark M2 box, and once you open it up from the side, you'll see a compartment, and in that compartment is the charging case along with the two phone connectors. The phone connectors, one is for your iOS devices and the others for your Android devices, which is USB-C. And underneath that you'll find another compartment which contains a pouch with some accessories that comes along with the device, your instruction manuals and other sort of magnetic accessories which you'll need later on for your convenience of using this device. So I have laid out all the accessories out of the box for your convenience, and I'm going to show you which is what. So this is the charging case. The charging case is pretty high quality build, and this charging case is where you store your microphones and your camera transmitter. This is the transmitter for your DSLR cameras, not your mobile phone connectors. So this is where the camera transmitter goes in, and next slot is for the TX1 microphone, which is your primary microphone, and then the TX2 microphone, which is your secondary microphone. So there are 3 slots in total, and there's the LED lights which indicates that the battery is being charged. So yeah, that's your charging case for the Lark M2. Next up we have the 2 connectors. This is the lightning port connector for connecting to your iOS devices. This is for iPhone 14 Pro Max and prior devices, and this is a USB-C connector for all your Android devices. And also you have your 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and then you have your necklaces. Basically these are magnetic necklaces where you can attach your microphones magnetically and hang them from your chest or your shoulder. Yeah, so these are super important when you're outside. And then you have your soft touch mufflers. I guess this is for deafening the sounds, outdoor noise, and also keeping your microphone free of dust. Then you have some stickers which are not that important, and you have your greeting card from HOLLYLAND, and then you have the black pouch which I showed you earlier already. Then you also have your quick guide, your packaging list, and your compliance card. And you also get magnetic clips which you can clip onto your t-shirt or your shirt collar and then attach them to your microphones, basically to make you have a subtle look when you're recording your audio. And yeah, that's about it. Now let's talk about the key features of this device. This has a very compact design, which means each transmitter weighs approximately 9 grams and is about the size of a coin, allowing for discreet placement on all sorts of clothing. The audio quality of this device is also very high. It supports 48 kHz 24-bit hi-fi sound and ensures clear and detailed audio capture. The transmitter uses 2.4 GHz wireless transmission with a range of up to 300 meters, so this provides flexibility in various shooting environments. The Lark M2 offers versatile attachment options, including a magnetic clip and a necklace design, allowing users to securely and comfortably position the microphone on different types of clothing. The battery life is also very good. Each transmitter offers up to 10 hours of continuous operation. The included charging case can fully recharge the set in about 1.5 hours and has enough capacity to charge the entire set twice. This device also features adjustable environmental noise cancellation. This ensures minimum background noise, ensuring clearer audio recordings in various environments. So next we're gonna test out the noise cancelling and the audio quality of the microphone. So guys, this is what I sound like when I'm wearing the microphone, the Lark M2. I have it clipped on the t-shirt collar, and yeah, there is no background noise at all in this room right now, except maybe the ceiling fan, which doesn't make that much noise anyway. So yeah, I guess you can say the room is pretty much quiet right now. And yeah, this is what I sound like. So I have tried to recreate the sounds of the New York subway system and talk at the same time, because at the moment of filming I could not get out of the house and it was already pretty late. So I found this video on YouTube where they have the white noise of the New York subway, and basically I'm playing that at full volume right now and talking at the same time just to test the noise cancelling of this microphone. So tell me what you think about it and let me know in the comment section. And this was my review of the HOLLYLAND LARK M2 wireless microphone. Do I think you should consider buying this for $17,000? Definitely, if you're a content creator. And if you enjoyed this video, a sub to the channel would be much appreciated. My name is Sadman, you're watching Gamma Crush, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.